Here is the main gate of family that I did family expression. My secondary school. I try a little bit. Here is the school. Here is the school. It has been how to put wajen. Before there was not all those classes. Those classes. The class I have done, it was class game. The other side. I say the other side, we say, the second class, just, from, my left, the second class. It was good that I have done. Before, when we were in the area, how to put it, we use it to play. Football, friendly discussion. Football, on this pitch. We used to play football on this pitch. Over there, is the administration, of the school. The administration of the school. Like how to put it yesterday. The way the more is are very strong. The way the more is strong. And it. As you can see. Here in is the administration of the school. The other class that I have done. The school now on the how the system. That's the school how the how to put it my behavior. This is the getting of the school. This school is MSCK. And this is the road for the expression of the school I started in my secondary school, my junior school, which is named MSCG. Just something like I would say 1 mile from the place I have been jailed the first time, as you can see. 1 mile. I'm just few years from it. this. The same this is not far from the place the school I have done my primary school. The name of the school is Waratadu. It's a public school. Whereas the family has said it's a private school. I just did how to call it my family expression. The troisième. After I started the secondary school in CG10. Here is the back of the school. You see, exactly this road that I take before to go send me the station to go in CG10. And the memories are very strong. So that yesterday all the seminar send me the station. Classes of teaching. That's the name, teaching. Before there was only how to call it in secondary school. It doesn't have how to call it in high school. Just in secondary school. You see, not too far from the jail. I said it control and completely control all this area. Then how to call it? It's not like this at London, but they have registered me in the school, which is in an area that they control. So no way of having the person being this they will say controlling all the area, all the houses, all the different people inside it. And it's like even how to call it. Like there is a renewal ceremony here of man that is still going to control it in the school. That is the gate of the school. This is the gate of the school. That's the gate of the school. That's the school. That's the school. See, that's the school. That's the school. That's the school. That's the school. People are inside it taking it in time. That's the school. Before, there was a clay, how to call it, fence here. Or the clay fence here. See, not too far from the place I have done, the primary school. Not too far from it. And I'm heading toward it in the primary school I have done. I'm heading toward it. Before there was a small gate here. You see, all those are the classes. I have done my CV in a class just in this side of the school. We use them to sit down at the at the front of this gate. At the front of this gate. At the front of this gate. And it was when this corner has GDP that I took him to the girl I said it it was just where the woman with the black veil was. So we just close them into the grey family situation, grey house. That's the area. What does the surroundings of the school? And I said it they did the school from 1996 up to 1998. After I passed from the 4e, from the 4e to 3e. For doing the 3e, that I want final education that I want in Farmey. In Farmey house school that I had my BPC. That I had my BPC. You see, the other side was the root flange. You see. This flange. And I'm on the way of the primary school. The primary school, the CP assistant named the what I started. Named what I started. I can name it ceremony here. What I started. What does it mean at the rate of them to go in the school? The older building, you see in front of you, this one, where there is, how to call it, the orange car, was the house of, the girl from the classmate who took the picture, who was covered up married. Yeah, as you can see. When I took the play, the picture, my tongue slip out of my mouth as I see the terminal on a BCST, on the website. You see, what there is the orange car. This is this house. Yeah. This is just in the corner, the place into the school. Here is the house. The window of the school that you have here over there, the green window, something like 50 yards from here. It's not far from how to call the place it was jail. Just 2 miles. And they control all the different houses, the people. So it's just the continuation of the jail properly. See. You see, I used to enter some of those houses to play in the kid mercenary, and all of them have kind of suspicious how to call it starting, how to call it how to fearing someone attempting to release me. See, the school is just over there, something like 30, 40. I'm quite close to it. Kids seminar playing football. I was just seminar as a kid. Very strong. Very strong. Very strong. There is more. Before there was no the fence that you see in front of you. There is no fence. You just enter the school. The name of the police is Wadatadu. There it is. There it is. There was not, that fence that you see in front of you. Just there is no road. And by that time, just after the school, there was a green belt. I called it the central belt. You see, here is the house, the class in which I did my SEM2. My SEM1, because the SEM2 I did it in Croix Rouge. Croix Rouge, it's a private school across to, I'm considering myself. You see, here is the school. Over there is another entrance of the school. You see, yeah. I remember we used to here is the green belt that where the green card for town. Here is the school, as you can see here. See, here is the green belt. This is not too far from here. You see. Which villains is just the other side. Here is the village. Here is the village.